I got one for you. What opportunities do you see right now in the online space? May it be email or whatever it may be.
Um, I think I've heard a lot more chatter about, and I think it's kind of, at least in e-commerce, probably with all online companies, is like customer loyalty. How do you, that's where the future of business is. Like there's so much competition on social media, on advertising, on all those channels to get a customer, that the cost is very, very high to acquire new customers. So it's all about how to increase customer loyalty now. And I think, if you're a company just promoting products, just promoting your service without offering any value, that you're probably going to lose the race. And that whole topic is called content strategy.
Yeah.
A lot of companies are putting massive budgets, or smaller companies even putting some of their budget and a lot of the owner's time into content strategy. How do you connect deeper with your audience? How do you get into their lives? Like if you're a fitness brand, for example, you're going to want to help. You're selling maybe fitness programs or maybe supplements or something like that. You're gonna, like, there's brands that are going into like sleep, like how do you sleep better, how do you
Yeah.
reduce anxiety, what to eat, your fitness routines, like everything that's even remotely revolved to their space. They're almost trying to become, the company's trying to become a guru for their audience, what their audience cares about most.
Yeah.
And then that just creates this deep um, loyalty, and it also keeps your company top, like in your customer base's memory. So you're the
Mhm.
first person that they think of.
Yeah.
Coca-Cola has been doing that for 100 years. That's why you think of them first anytime you
Yeah.
think of soda. Your strongest memory in your mind.
Who knew that providing value would give customer loyalty, right? But that's really cool. I mean, like if and it's such a valid point because like if you can make your customer feel good, and you're the direct reason for that, then they're 100% going to stay with you. Or if you can fill a gap, um, and yeah, it's a no brainer. But it definitely takes more effort from the owner side, but it makes sense long term.
It does. It does take more effort from the owner's side. But I mean, that also helps, if you love the industry you're in, you have some kind
Yeah.
of personal connection with it, it makes it a lot easier.